Morning, Dr. Mandel. So you were asking how to add alt text to the images in your PowerPoint. So I have one of your chapter one PowerPoints here. I'm just going to go to slide 7 here to these word bubbles. So what I'm going to do here is just right click, and then you can do format shape. And then from here, click this size and properties button. And then the alt text is down here. And then you would just give, it's mainly important to follow these steps here in this bubble, in this box, and then just put a very short description of what that image is. So that's how you do these particular images. But if you scroll down further and look at the exhibit image and right click, this one's going to say format picture. So it's either going to say format picture or format shape. But essentially, the next step is the same for both. So you click the size and properties, and then there's the alt text. I would remove this information here and then put in your own description. So that is how you would add the alt text to either shapes or images. So just right click on them and either go to format picture or format shape, and then size and properties icon, and then the alt text there. So if you have any other questions, just let me know, but that is how you add the alt text to your PowerPoint images.